Good Tuesday night. I am Thabo. Really good to be with you tonight here on In Focus. Let's start at the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. Then a new state witness has taken the stand. He says that the sound of a loud banging door from his neighbor's home caught his attention. Khaya Ngcatshe has been testifying in the case against 5 men accused of killing the Bafana Bafana and Orlando Pirates skipper back in 2014. Mnisi starts us off.
In her blonde signature hairstyle, red lipstick and glitzy black top, the state's first witness, Zandi Khumalo, wrapped up her testimony answering clarity-seeking questions from the presiding judge.
But what also deludes me, the neighbors, didn't they see anybody running along the street, either up or down?
Enkholelwa yikona ukuthi bakhona omakhelwane babathathe amaphoyisa athathe statement zabo ukuthi zithini angikho sure.
As she stepped out of the hot seat in black high heels, a seemingly subdued new state witness, Khaya Ngcatshe, took to the stand. He was the neighbor of the Khumalos at the time of the shooting. Ngcatshe told the court about the unusual loud sound of a banging door that came from the homestead of the Khumalos on the night Senzo Meyiwa was shot.
Because ngicala ngezwe commotion or ushawutwana or ngathi kuyapushwana wakhala umnyango like umnyango ngathi uvaleka kabuhlungu.
Although during cross-examination Zandi Khumalo said it was difficult to see inside their house from Ngcatshe's window, Ngcatshe says the noise prompted him to peep through his window that is situated diagonally from the kitchen window of the Khumalos, where he saw someone wearing a white t-shirt with his back against the window. He said the unusual noise sounded like someone was being reprimanded, and at some point he heard something like a breaking teacup. He and his now late father stepped out and saw a young man who had just jumped into their home.
Bengiphethe steel rod. Mangimbona ejathini mase sihlangana naye simconfronta. Ngaphakamisa lensimbi le and then ithe mangenza kanjalo wakhuza wathi ucela singamlimazi asukuye umuntu onecala.
He tells the court that his father stopped him from jumping into the Khumalo homestead when the young man jumped back as he heard something that sounded like a gun, adding that he, together with other community members, were then told that there were people who had run down the street, prompting them to go on a futile search at a nearby park. Upon their return and entering the Khumalo home, they found Senzo on the floor.
Sangena ngasekitchen yena bekalele samela ke mangena into yokuqala ngabona leskipe esimhlophe sabona ukuthi hawo kahle kahle lo muntu lo olele la usenzo bekalele ebheke phezulu so sashesheke sabambisana ke nabafethu namanikazi samhlalisa sazama ukumphakamisa ukuthi ahlale upright and from there sazami kwabanento ekhulunywa ke ukuthi arashe lesibhedlela.
Zandi Khumalo previously told the court that Meyiwa was lying in the lounge between a couch and a television stand. At the same time, Ngcatshe told the court that he had made 2 statements to the police on his version of events. But before he could start with cross-examination, attorney Sipho Ramusipile, the defense lawyer for accused number 1 and 2, revealed that they were in possession of Ngcatshe's 3rd statement. Cross-examination starts on Wednesday. For Newzroom Afrika on channel 405, I'm Mnisi at the High Court in Pretoria.